Now it's time to set up our pacman keys. Now our pacman keys is very easy. In the old version of Pacman we didn't have to do this, but I merely miss the old version of Pacman, to be fair. But anyway, let's just start our keys. So we put in pacman, which I think this is kind of pointless to do, I personally have to say, in it. So I'll tell you, pacman, that dash thing, key, space, dash dash, init. So that's to activate the keys and so forth. Hang on, let me just I should have done this ages ago. Right, CD, whatever. Okay, so we're in a certain directory. I can't really fix that. Okay, so pacman. Going to put in pacman. Well, actually, no. Just there we go. No, wait. Keys slash in. There we go. So that should start our keys. Or master keys, selection of master keys. Usually we'll have to wait for a while, so I might stop here and carry on from the next stage. Hello there, YouTuber slash blimp. So we're going to carry on from the Arch install. We sorted out the thingy. But first off, we're going to install some drivers and so forth. So we've installed the xorg, which is xorg, no space, just xorg. Pulseaudio. Pulseaudio is a music control. It's very good to, well, just if you want to listen to music, then you need it. Alsa-plugins for Alsa and so forth. We need to get an extension to pulseaudio-alsa. So pulse audio or do slash alsa. So for sound you need pulseaudio, Alsa plugins, pulseaudio slash alsa. Was it alsa? If I get it wrong, then I get it wrong. But you know, it's trying to re-jog my memory. So that's the sound. That's the boot up the install. Now to get a network, so you need to go and put network-manager. And then you want to get the applet as well. So put network. Oh, it's not network. So network manager, and then applet, which gives you the applet, like the little icon in the in the top corner or the top bottom or top right, whatever the operating system you're using. You have like an icon in the middle, and that's what the network manager applet does. So you've got the network manager applet, so you can get the little notification of the network. You will need GNOME keyring so you can edit the password, and GKSU are important as well in Network Manager. What else you need? If you're installing it depends on what interface you're running. Are you installing GNOME, KDE, Xface? Because I'm going to install the whole thing. I'm not going bit by bit, install bit by bit. It's going to take forever. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to install the whole packages all we need. So we need xorg, pulseaudio, alsa-plugins, pulseaudio-alsa to support pulse audio with alsa, so you can get sound. Network manager, so this for the network for like Wi-Fi and other. Network manager applet to get the little icon notification in the operating system, depending on whatever operating system you're using. You'll have a network manager applet. GNOME keyring and GKSU for like when you in network manager you will need GNOME keyring or GKSU, either one, to type in like passwords and so forth. You'll need mainly GNOME keyring. So GKSU. So if you like wanted to say like you want to go to be a super user in Nautilus, GKSU can help you with that. What else? Now you want the interface of interface of whatever you're installing. I'm installing Xface and Xface goodies, so you can get pretty much. I can install the Slim as well, so I can show you a little bit more about Slim, what it can do and what it can't do, and so forth. So we put an Xface 4. Oops, one Xface 4, an Xface 4 goodies. Goodies basically the extra add-ons on Xface. Oops, I'm going to put this, see, Xface, so you get all the extra stuff in data. I like to use either Firefox or Chrome. I'm going to use Chromium because that's the only in the actual Pacman repos at the moment. And if you want Chrome, you will need to get the AUR and to get Chrome. So it's not in the Pacman repos. Chromium is, Chrome is not. So if you want Chrome, you will need to get the AUR first, which is the Arch user repos, before you can get Chrome. So you know it's needable. That's it then, really. To get an actual browser, some driver support, network manager, so forth. So install that. And you have to I'm calling it default. Why? Enter. So remember, xorg. I'll put it in the description anyway, so you know what to get. But let's just install what we need to install. Why? Now it's downloading the actual programs. So in the moment, I'm going to pause this and I'm going to carry on after when it's installed. Hello there, YouTubers. This is carrying on from there. Now I've installed Xface and all the xorg and pulse and alsa and all that stuff. Now I actually forgot something. Slim. Yeah, I actually did. So we're going to put in pacman-S for Slim. And I think that if you want to see the actual install of Slim, then you can. I only want a basic install anyway of Slim. It's not to do with anything. So now we're downloading Slim, if you can tell. I will give you all the notes and the description again, so don't worry about that. So I thought, well, what do I do after one of my video stops? Well, I try and find a way to fix some problems in Arch. There are problems in Arch. In this install, actually, it was okay. So, you see there's some connection timeout. But after about a while, when these connection timeouts have gone over, because they only go over once, over these servers once, but after about a while, it'll pick up and it'll download as normal on that, the first server what failed. So it picks up from there most of the time. But yeah, I haven't seen any problems. I haven't had any problems from there. So yeah, I'm hoping this succeeds.